Hi all, welcome to the second session of this introduction to Onshape platform. This video is intended to get an introduction with the modeling environment, okay, on the Onshape. You can see when you log in, you can see this is the Onshape environment will be look like this. So I'm going to introduce each menus available here and how you can navigate through things and how you can view things. All these things will be explained here. Okay, so this is the main window. You can see at the top, you can see document menu. Click on that. I can come down. A workspace unit is there. Okay, so you could click on that. You can change the unit where you are going to design. Okay, so I can make it on inches, foot, meter, yard, whatever I wish. So these are the available inbuilt units available to specify the length unit. Then the decimal place of the if you are taking a meter, then you can put it as 0.123. Okay, so you can make a 3 division. Since I took mm, so I just made 0. So like the degree, kilograms, all unit you can select there. Okay, so the beyond that, if you wish to close this, all these will be in the document menu. Okay, so after that you can see a toolbar. That is the main toolbar. You can see it as the feature toolbar. All the 3D modeling tools like extrude, revolve, sweep, loft, okay, so chamfering, filleting, all these are available in this toolbar. You can select according to your wish from this toolbar. Okay, so in the first you can see a sketch button is there. Okay, so that is basically for 2D sketches. Okay, so if you wish to make a sketch on any of these plane, like if I wish to make a sketch on the front plane, I can click on the sketch. I can click on the sketch, and I can select the plane which I wish to make the 2D drawing. Okay, click on that, it will be get selected. Okay, so that is the top toolbar. And coming down, you can see there is a tree view about the operations of your what you all done here. So, okay, so if let me just load available document from my project list. Okay, so better I will load an L clamp. Okay, so that I am going to load here so that you can have a better understanding. All right, this is a simple 3D model of an L clamp. See this history window or the tree view, you can see what are the operations you have done. Okay, so I made a sketch first, then I made an extrude, I made a fillet, then I made another sketch. Okay, so you can rename also this if you are going for a big design. Maybe later these names get confused. Okay, so you can right click and you can make a rename of this. Okay, so you can make a basic sketch of L clamp. Okay, like that. Later it is easy for your recognition if you go for bigger modeling. Okay, so that is also possible there. So this is a history window. If you wish to delete some features also, you can right click and there is a delete button there that you can delete. Okay, so downside you can see this window where what are the entities in your model. Okay, so maybe in your model you have parts, you have surface, you have curves. Okay, so all these will be listed here. Okay, so like that you can right click on that and make it invisible, like hide. Okay, so there is an option called hide. The actual part is there, but it is hidden now. Okay, so you can come here. There is a eye icon there. Click on that. Also, you can hide and you can unhide it. Okay, so that is another option. Okay, so like that, if you wish any of these planes. Okay, so the top plane I wish to make hide. Click on that. Okay, it will be hide. The front menu, front plane also, if I wish to hide, I can click on this icon, it get hide like that, right, hide. Okay, so now, right now I don't have any reference plane. So again, if you wish to unhide it, click on these menus. Okay, so these now all the reference plane came. Okay, so that's about the tree view at the left side. Now we move to the right side where you have some very frequently used functions are here. Okay, so you see that the right top and you can see a cube there. Okay, so that is helping you to easily view your model. Okay, so if you wish to see the top view, simply click on this top, right? Okay, so you can simply go to the top view. That is one of the navigation method. Okay, click back. Okay, so like that, if you click on these arrows, it will be slightly rotate. Okay, if you wish to left. Okay, so like that, if any orientation you require, you can make use of this. Okay, so this cube. Okay, so and coming down to that, you can see a small cube. That is another important drop down menu where click on that. You can see if you wish to take this model directly to isometric, you can see it is going to isometric. Okay, so held. Then coming to down, you can see if you want a unshaded without edges, click on that, and now it is become a very smooth rendering. You cannot see any visual edges. Okay, so all are rendered without edges. Okay, so if you want a translucent, sometimes you may want to see some thing inside a part. Okay, so for that you can go for this translucent. Okay, so that is another feature we are using. Okay, so right now all the edges are visible and the internal things you can see. Okay, there is no hidden lines also. So that is a translucent, one of another useful thing. Then you have curvature visualization. This is basically using for advanced surface modeling. Okay, so all these things we will get familiar when we are using with it. Okay, so that is the thing. If you wish to go directly isometric, can be go like. If you wish to make it shaded, okay, can make it. Okay, so we again back to the same thing. So the same way you can make the appearance is there. So click, you can see an appearance panel at the right hand. Click on that. You can, if you wish to change the color, okay, so that you can change it from here, from there. Okay, click on the bar. You can, if you wish to select any color, you can select the colors. Okay, so that is there. So that is about the appearance window. Okay, so the basic things we finished about the tools available on the modeling environment. Now we can navigate also through like by using your mouse. Okay, so you are supposed to use a 3-button mouse with a roller. Okay, so that will be easy for your modeling. Okay, so this roller, if you move up and down, you can see it is getting magnified. Okay, so wherever you are pointing on that side, it is magnifying. You can see projected view on that point will be magnified. Okay, so the view will be on that and it is magnified. Okay, so like that you can make magnification. So if you wish to rotate, click on the roller. Okay, so the middle button, and just move it, you can rotate it. Okay, so that is one way to visualize the components. Okay, so that is another thing. If you want to make a pan, okay, press the shift button and then click on the middle roller and move the mouse. You can make a pan. Okay, so you can move it to anywhere. Okay, so a translation, easy translation can be happen. So rotate, you simply click on the mouse, you can rotate it. Okay, so if you want to magnify, simply put a point there and just move the mouse up and down. Okay, it gets scaled. Okay, so these are the basic things you want to learn about the environment. I'm going to wind up this section now here. In the next session, we will planning to work with the 2D design, 2D drawings, 2D draftings. Okay, so thank you for watching. Welcome all to the third session. Thank you very much.